Troubleshooting Bill4Time QuickBooks integration requires a step-by-step approach to identify and resolve the issue. First, ensure that you have the correct version of QuickBooks and Bill4Time installed, as compatibility issues can cause integration problems. Next, check the connection settings in Bill4Time to ensure that the QuickBooks company file is correctly specified and that the username and password are accurate. Verify that the QuickBooks Web Connector is installed and configured correctly, as this is necessary for the integration to work. If you are experiencing syncing issues, check the sync logs in Bill4Time to identify any errors that may be occurring. Common errors include mapping issues, where the accounts or items in Bill4Time do not match those in QuickBooks, and authentication errors, where the username or password is incorrect. To resolve mapping issues, review the account and item mappings in Bill4Time and ensure that they match the accounts and items in QuickBooks. You can do this by going to the Settings page in Bill4Time and selecting the QuickBooks integration option. From here, you can review and update the mappings as necessary. To resolve authentication errors, verify that the username and password specified in Bill4Time match those in QuickBooks. You can do this by going to the company preferences in QuickBooks and selecting the users page. From here, you can verify the username and password for the user that is being used for the integration. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues, try resetting the QuickBooks Web Connector and restarting the sync process in Bill4Time. This will often resolve any issues that are caused by a faulty connection. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any issues with the Bill4Time QuickBooks integration.